Insurance Medicare. If you're 65 or older or permanently disabled, you're eligible to join nearly 40 million fellow Americans in the nation's largest health insurance plan. Unlike private insurance plans, Medicare will cover you for pre-existing conditions and their complications, including both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Medicare will also cover 100% of the cost of diabetic testing and monitoring equipment, including shipping and delivery. If you've had 40 or more quarters of Medicare-covered employment, there's no monthly premium for Medicare Part A, and Part B is only $96.50 per month. If you have diabetes and you're covered by Medicare, please consider Diabetes Care Club for the latest in testing meters and diabetic testing supplies. In many cases, they will send you one of the most advanced testing devices and supplies right to your door at absolutely no cost to you.
Attention! If you're on Medicare with diabetes, you may be eligible for an upgraded meter.
Results from testing my blood glucose were often wrong. I'd have to code my meter.
If you're on Medicare with diabetes, then you need to know about the newest methods for checking your blood glucose. You don't have to code your meter anymore, and you don't have to stab your fingers. These new no-code meters are easier to use and nearly painless.
This new method hurts less, and I don't have to code the test strips anymore.
No coding helps make testing faster and confirms accuracy. And the best news is, Diabetes Care Club will send you one of these new meters.
I called, got my no-code meter, now my fingers don't hurt anymore.
It's simple. Diabetes Care Club will deliver the latest technology right to your door for free. So call and find out why over 100,000 patients choose Diabetes Care Club.
Honey, you don't have to code anymore. Upgrade your meter and change the way you test now.
Living with diabetes is never simple, but together we can make managing it easier.